Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of NFL. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about NFL app and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store, you can search about NFL like this, and then you can update your app if you find update here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you